up guys to another video today. We're eating mango, which is my favorite fruit. Some mango tampoy. Go outside. Okay guys. Guys, don't throw food. Don't throw if you're done eating. Don't throw food because you're ruining God great. You have to ruin it. The trash, guys, you throw it in the trash.
Sets up the drive, and we have a hit.
Ang bias, Mama.
Kain ka naman, isa naman. Bye, Makma.
Bye, Makma. I have 3 names, guys. McLaren, and Mackie, and Makma.
Everyone second playing serious basketball now is on the lookout.
You have to moonwalk and slide.
Manzano with a good fake.
Now switch,
Follows up.
slide, switch, slide.
The lefty.
See? I'm falling.
No point made so far in this second quarter. Edwin Manzano.
I'm gonna kick you guys. You beat me, guys. Ouch! You beat me! Ouch! You just beat me. You beat me, then beat me.
Biggest man for happy words.
That's funny, right?
Montano has Edwin Manzano loses the ball and he hits the ball.
Guys, tell me a joke.
He just got back from the States.
Not funny.
Somehow, was first that he's chasing after. Chasing after Dennis Madimbo somehow.
Guys, in the Philippines, buy mango. It's so fresh and sweet. It's good. But it's a little bit sour.
Satisfies.
I'm gonna put this
Ang butay mo. Seryoso mo kasi. Bay magmahal. Hindi nga wala nakaw siya.
Guys, I'm gonna eat the super and cheese skins. 1, 2, 3.
Pagtala ng payo yung mga binanggit na lugar, no? Nakita, yan sa Tarlac, yan sa Sambales, no? Kasi ayaw naman natin na pagkatapos ng tag-init, eh, abutan naman ang ulo niyan. Mga ating mga tao dahil nagpipila sa
Bakit na wala ka? Hindi ka garaw-garaw niya.
mga kabayan na sa abroad. Lalo na si Dave, may apat
See, guys! I just eat a beer.
Jadi na akong may
Kasi
Sabi di na ako.
Ito pinapakain ko sa'yo, yung kalahati lang. Ngayon, bigyan na, kayo na natin. Pupunta ako na, nakikita ko na. Kung anong puno na
kasi puro orang bayad doon eh, hindi ka tulad sa atin dito, buwana, di ba? Ang araw.
huwag mo siya nagawa.
Pagkita na natin agad.
Pinapakain ko yung mihiwa. Kaya yung mihiwa, kumuha ng puno. Kasi sabihin sa akin, tatay, ayaw mo na.
Bakit pa allowances dito? Pinag-aaralan ngayon, baka nagkaroon ng mga video dito. Mga video bonus, mga year-end bonus. Stop muna.
Guys, please subscribe to my channel, typing comments and like the video. Bye!